Welcome to 100 West Cafe. This is a fully functional restaurant lab with all of the same regulations and features of any commercial kitchen and dining area. 100 West is home to our student-run restaurant serving NMSU's faculty, staff, and students, as well as the surrounding community. They are open from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Wednesdays and Fridays throughout the semester, with themed menus each week inspired by international cuisine. 100 West Cafe was established in 2005 through a donation. It has since been an integral part of our hands-on learning experience provided to all of our HRTM students, as well as departments like Food Science and Technology and Human Nutrition and Dietetic Sciences in the ACES College. It is equipped with commercial equipment and work areas to provide realistic work experience in class and through our other events such as our Tap Happy Hour and International Dinner Series that are hosted here. It is also available to reserve for campus events. In response to the changes needed to the COVID-19 pandemic, it has been adjusted to accommodate the state of New Mexico and CDC guidelines for all restaurant establishments to have distance and limited occupancy, and our students are taking extra precaution, including masks and face shields, to protect themselves and our guests. It is fortunate that we are able to continue to provide these learning opportunities while still keeping our students' and guest safety in top priority. It also includes an open kitchen so you can see all the action, as well as an outdoor patio for guests to choose when dining in during our operating hours, or takeout is always available. Thank you for joining us on this brief tour of 100 West Cafe's dining area and kitchen. We look forward to seeing you for our next event and as always appreciate all of your support.